Welcome to the Crypto Lab. In today's video, we are going to analyze XRP. XRP is currently going down and we predicted it thanks to my charts. And even if I was hoping to be wrong, this chart reminds me to trust the facts and not my emotions. Today we have a busy schedule. We are going to analyze this bull bear chart, then we will analyze the trend line charts, and last but not least, the channel chart. But before we begin, I want to share my sentiment with you. We all want XRP and the whole crypto market to go up. I know we are currently living some hard times because the market has been pretty bearish for months, but I'm still convinced that crypto is the future. And sooner or later, the market will be bullish again. That's the mindset that I have, and I can't wait to be able to say one day on this channel, do you remember when XRP was below $1? Yeah, it would be a great story to tell, wouldn't it be? We are in this together, so like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for the support. That said, let's jump in. The last time we talked about the bull bear chart, we said that the key level to watch was around $0.76. Why? Because it was the bottom of the bull bear band last week. You remember that the bull bear band is going from here to here for this week. It has 7 lines, each one with a different color, as you can see. Above the band, we are bullish. Below it, we are bearish. And inside it, we may be transitioning into a new market phase. And of course, these levels are changing every week. And last week, the gray line was around $0.76. And last week, as you can see, we closed below this level. But as I always say, we shouldn't panic. Let's just understand the facts in the charts. Nothing has changed. Let me remove the bull bear band just for the demonstration. A big rejection was expected after touching the last resistance circle. And this is what we are experiencing right now. Remember that it was the case here, here, and here. In addition, we are still below the bull bear band, as you can see with this candle, so we are still bearish. And every time we will fall below the band, the next level to watch is this 180 weeks EMA. Currently, this EMA is around $0.59. Also, I still think that when this EMA will cross the red circle, we will have an explosion of the price. And hopefully it will be to the upside. Why? Because this is exactly what happened in the past when we were there. And also, we know that the bull bear market band in blue and the 180 weeks EMA have a special relationship. When they cross, a big move is in preparation. I remind you that this is exactly what happened in 2020 just before XRP bottom. We have a cross between the bull market support and the EMA, and it was just before XRP bottom. It was also the case in 2018, just before the very top of XRP. As you can see, we have the bull bear band that was about to cross the 180 weeks EMA, but we didn't have a cross and we had a second moonshot. And as you can see, to prevent the cross from happening, XRP made a new all-time high. So we know that if XRP wants to stay bullish, we have to prevent the cross between this EMA and the bull market support. So we just need to wait for XRP to make a decision. So far we have higher lows, so this is very good, but I would like to see XRP crossing these very important lines, which are the bull market support in blue and the very top of the bull bear band in yellow. And right now, the top of the band is around $1. So to sum it up, 3 levels to watch this week: the 180 weeks EMA around $0.55, the bottom of the band around $0.76, and the top of the band around $1. That's all I have to say about this chart. The moon is not for now, but it's getting closer. On this chart, we have the trend line in yellow and the critical level in blue. 2 weeks ago, we had a close above the trend line, and I said that this was very positive. But before being bullish, we needed a retest of the trend line. As I always say, every time we go above the trend line, we always come back to retest the trend line as a support for confirmation before going up. As you can see, we came back to retest it, but the retest failed and we got rejected to the downside. We tested this line multiple times in the past, so many times. and it seems that the price is not ready to go above it yet. We don't want to see the trend line going inside the critical zone. Indeed, in the past, it was a beautiful, beautiful resistance, as you can see, for the top of XRP in 2018 and the most recent top that we have. So now, after using this area as resistance, it should be a support. This is exactly why I would like to see the trend line having this kind of move. Or if XRP goes back, we could have the trend line going down like this and using this level as a support before going up. But I don't want to see the trend line going inside this area. Nothing else to say about this chart. Let's move to the next chart. It will be very fast. This chart shows great levels of support and resistances using Fibonacci levels. Currently, we are just above the 0.786 level, as you can see. And for this chart, this is the next level to watch, because it should be a great support. Let me explain why this level is so important. For that, we need to come back to the very, very beginning of the chart, just right here. This line held us as a support for the very first bull run of XRP. Then, as you can see, it was a great support before having the bottom of XRP in 2020. We touched it and we went up to the next level. After this, we used it as a great resistance twice, one time here and a second time here as a resistance, as you can see. And recently, it was a beautiful, beautiful support. So now you understand why this level is so important. The good news is we are so close to it that we should find out very soon. On this chart, the key level to watch is around $0.66 this week. So do not panic on the big picture. XRP is still making higher lows, as you can see. And if we look at this analysis for Bitcoin, you see that a great move is coming. Why? Because since the very top that we have here, every time we cross a circle, we have a move to the upside. You see it here, we crossed the circle, we went up. Here again, we crossed the circle, we went up. And guess what? Just right here, we are about to cross the circle. So next week, I expect, according to this analysis, Bitcoin to go up, and hopefully XRP will go up too. I wanted to finish the video with some good news, and here it is. I remind you that these circles are experimental, but so far they have been very accurate. So let's wait to see if it still works. Things are about to get very interesting in the market, so like, comment, subscribe. That's all for today's video, and as always, time will tell.